Ben, you like little Liffy? Hey, I got some chili back over here if you want some, alright?
How is it, Sam? Don't have to play. This is the artsy segment of the video. Ryan, our sound guy, has the camera, and he wanted to be Andy Warhol-ish. Can you focus in on this?
Where are you?
My thumb. Is it in focus?
I don't have my contacts in.
That was awful. You got it?
Right, where are you? It's too close.
Well, it's zoom out, idiot.
Oh my gosh, hey there, Ben, what's up?
Thank you guys, see ya!
Hey, is that piece of crap on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. His imitation was Zip. Did you see that?
Recording legends, Striper, Robert Sweet and Oz Fox, to be exact. Oz there in the black hat, standing beside Will with the black ponytail, was the lead guitar player
Of the Yellow and Black Attack.
Yes, the very same. Robert has.
Let me focus. They didn't have autofocus. It's that ancient. Introduce yourself to the camera.
Hi, mon nom est Yves-Joseph René-Lajoie, je viens de la ville de Québec. J'ai 33 ans et je viens juste d'avoir un garçon le 4 juin.
Now say in English.
Hi, my name is Yves Lajoie and I'm in my 30s and I just consider myself old and I just had a little son. He's 4 days old.
So nutty.
What's this video? No. Dude, we're gonna have to talk to my manager. I can't talk to you guys unless I get an okay.
What's going on?
Expecting a flood?
What's up, stranger? Doing my part to try to keep the streets clean.
Isn't it Bella? When you married my son, I'm gonna wear shoes. Leave me alone. I'm wearing my jeans. Solomon, can you say good morning? We can't say good morning. All right.
Hey, good afternoon, Salomon.
You give them like 15 minutes. They will not leave you.